everyone. I am Hansini from 8th Techno from Guntur-ARDPET branch. Firstly, do you guys know what you are breathing? Absolutely, it is oxygen. As you know, we are breathing oxygen. Now, I am going to explain you about oxygen. Firstly, what is the symbol of oxygen? The symbol of oxygen is O. Oxygen is a constituent of air and it is an abundant element in the all elements which are present in the periodic table. Oxygen is present in the air in its elemental form. And you know what? Oxygen is one of the most element that we breathe. So we breathe because plants produce some oxygen and that oxygen we breathe and we release some carbon dioxide. So that one will be absorbing by plants and then they give us oxygen and we breathe that. And you know what? Oxygen was invented or first discovered and prepared by Dr. C.W. Skeely in 1771. He is a Swedish chemist who prepared oxygen by heating mercury oxide, that is HgO, and followed by Priestley, and who made it through red of mercury and then nitrate and other substances. Later, Mr. Lavoisier, a French scientist, named it as oxygen through studying its all properties. So then they given and recognized oxygen as an element and then kept in periodic table. So we got a matter that is it is periodic table. I am going to ask you a question. That is, what is the atomic number of oxygen? Absolutely, it is number 6. So oxygen is present in the dissolved state in water. Mainly, what is the chemical formula of water? Absolutely, that is H2O. As we know that oxygen is represented as O, so here it consists of O. So, we can prove that oxygen is present in the dissolved state in water. Water consists of oxygen and mainly 89% of oxygen. That is nearly to 90%. Now, I am going to tell you about the compounds in which oxygen is present. That is potassium permanganate, that is KMnO4, and mercuric oxide, that is HgO, and potassium chlorate, that is KClO3. Here we can also say that as water is consist of oxygen, how do the species like fish gains oxygen? This is through breathing it and absorbing the oxygen present in the water. So we can say that fish can live in water. So that's why it absorbs the oxygen which is in the water so that it lives. Nextly, we're going to say that oxygen is consisting of oxidation number that is -2. Its general oxidation number is -2 and in peroxides it represents you as -1. Let us take an example, that is hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Here oxygen represents -1. So oxidation number of the oxygen in peroxide such as hydrogen peroxide is -1. And in superoxides such as K2O2, it represents -1/2. Like it exhibits +1 with fluorine in O2F2, that is it exhibits +1, and with OF2 it exhibits +2. So as we got about oxygen, now we are going to discuss about how is oxygen helpful in our daily life. As we breathe oxygen, it helps us in our respiration system. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity to explain my topic.